Yeah, these have been life-changing services in some cases where people are able to get health care and stay as performers rather than have to do something else.
All right, when you're on tour, I mean, most of the year, right, driving around, flying is probably a lot of wear and tear on the body, so it's good to have that for sure.
Yeah. Absolutely.
All right, let's talk about the weather and the heat that we have been dealing with here in Central Texas. Here's our shot of the beautiful city of Austin, courtesy of West Shore Home. We have clear skies, some fog will build in throughout the morning hours this morning because of the higher humidity. Let's recap October so far, going in depth here. Look at the red boxes. Those are our warmer than average high temperatures. Besides just 2 days last week, we have been on the hot side all throughout the entirety of the month so far. And it's been dry. Since the start of September, get this, less than a ½ inch of rain has fallen at Camp Mabry in Austin. We are in a drought for all of Travis County. We'll get to the drought map in just a bit. Here's the big picture, though. Dry weather continuing. High pressure just dominant over the southeast. Not a single drop of rain for Texas today. Your day planner, 66 by 8 a.m. Then lunchtime plains, low 80s and 91 degrees by the afternoon into the evening hours. Find your city here. High temperatures for the hill country. A lot of upper 80s and 90s. 86 in Fredericksburg, 89 in Burnett, Marble Falls, 90 today at Camp Mabry in Austin, 91. 91 at the airport as well down toward Kyle and San Marcos. East of I-35, some 92s are sprinkled in here and there, about 10 degrees above our normal high for where we should be. Today's forecast, 91, winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little more patchy fog tomorrow night as well, so we're going to have 2 nights coming up with this higher humidity and fog that will be out and about. And look at the high temperature trend. We'll stay about 10 degrees above where we should be. We are definitely dealing with just this warmth that's been on end. And as we transition into a La Nina winter, this will probably stick around for the near future across the next few weeks. All right, your weekend forecast, Saturday, 89 on Sunday, 88, pretty much a copy and paste forecast. Few clouds here and there. And as I play this out through 7 days, this is the National Weather Service 7-day rainfall prediction. Nothing across Austin, up toward DFW, a few sprinkles down toward the valley on the coastline. But in terms of where we stand in our area, things are dry. A level 1 out of 4 on the drought. Moderate drought for Travis, south toward Hayes, a little bit more of a severe. Towards San Antonio, south of Gillespie County, we're dealing with an extreme drought. Big picture across Texas. You can see even toward the El Paso Valley, up toward DFW, Red River. That is a lot of dry weather and drought conditions across so much of Texas. Actually, 55.12% of Texas is currently in this drought. Now, the good news is as we trend closer and closer to the end of the month, what are the normal conditions for October 31st into November 6th? So the first week of November, we could be getting a few spotty showers. We only had 1 day of rainfall so far in the city of Austin through the month of October. That was actually last Friday, 100th of an inch. So even that is not even a lot. Your first winter weather 7-day forecast, we're talking about low 90s across the next few days, cooling down a little bit into the upper 80s. But overall, we are trending on the warm side.